Hello everyone, this is Soni Sharma. Welcome to my channel Advait. Today we are going to see how HCF and LCM is related to the product of those numbers whose HCF and LCM we are finding. Suppose we are having two numbers with us, 14 and 28. Okay, of these two numbers we have to find the HCF and LCM. 2 sevens are 14, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Now 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So what is the HCF we have got here? 2 into 7, which is equal to 14, and LCM is equal to 2 into 7 into 2, which is going to be 2 twos are 4, 4 sevens are 28. So if you will observe here students, again we are getting 14 and 28 only, which is equal to this 14 and 28. So the multiplication of these two numbers is going to be equal to the multiplication of HCF and LCM, which is again 14 and 28. If they are not the same number, then also it is going to be same. Okay, the product of two numbers whose HCF and LCM we are finding is equal to the product of HCF and LCM. By using this fact, we can solve the sums. Like one sum is given here. The product of two numbers is 3072. If the LCM of the number is 192, find the HCF. It means what is given here? LCM is given 192. HCF is not given, we have to find, and the product is given 3072. Why I have written like this? Because just now I told you LCM into HCF is equal to product of the numbers. Okay, so how you will find the HCF? If anything which is given on the left side you have to find, like if you have to find the LCM or you have to find the HCF, first you write that, then divide the product by the second thing which is given. Like here LCM is given, so I will divide by LCM and I'll get HCF. Suppose HCF is given and LCM they are asking, you will write here LCM, you will divide this product by HCF and you will get LCM. Now let's divide 3072 by 192 and check what we are going to get. Okay, so 192, first we will go ones, because if I'll go for twos, no, I'm going to get a greater number than 307. So 192, I'll get 115. I'll copy this 2 down. I'm getting 1152. If I'll multiply 192 by 6, I'm going to get 1152. You can multiply and check. Just pause the video, multiply 192 by 6, you will get 1152. 0, 0, 0, 0. It means the HCF is 16. Yes or no? Right? So by using this fact, we just now come to know what is the HCF. Okay, so again I'm repeating, if HCF is given you can find the LCM, if LCM is given you can find the HCF just dividing the product by the given. Like HCF is given, divide by HCF, LCM is given, divide by LCM. Let's see one more sum where HCF and LCM both are given and instead of product only one number is given. So how you will find the other number? Let's write what is given here. LCM and HCF of two numbers are 504 and 18. So LCM is 504 sorry, and HCF is 18, equal to, find the other number if one number is 126. So one number is given 126. We have to find the second number. Okay, so what I'll do, again see, if you have to find the second number, divide this by 126. Suppose if second number is given and they are asking you first number, do the same. For finding the first number, divide this LCM and HCF by the second number. Okay, so second number, I'm just writing the short form, equal to 504 into 18 divided by 126. So what I'll do, I'll first divide this 504 by 126. What I'm going to get, see, 504 and 126, or I'll show you this way only. If I'll multiply 126 by 4, 4 6 are 24, 2 carry, 4 2s are 8, 2 10, 1 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. I'm getting 504. It means 126 is going to divide this 504 by 4s. So what I have received here, this is 126 divided 126, we are going to get 1, and if 126 is dividing 504, we will get 4. No need to write 1 here because it is understood. So here we are getting 4 into 18, which is equal to 72. So my second number is 72. Suppose you don't want to go by this method. Okay, fine, not an issue. You just multiply 504 into 18 first and then divide by 126. Not an issue. If I'll multiply, then what I'm going to get? See, 18 fours are 72. Okay, is 0, so 7 will come here. 18 fives are 90. I'm getting 9072. So you just divide 9072 by 126. 9072 by 126. So first I'll go by 7s. 7 6 are 42, 4 carry, 7 2s are 14, 4 18, 1 carry, 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8. 7 minus 2 5, 10 minus 8 is 2, here 0, copy 2. I have to go by 2s now, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, this 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 and 2 1s are 2. Got 0 0? It means again my answer is going to be 72. So it's up to you how you want to go. You can divide the one number by the other, whatever you will get, multiply by 18, or you first multiply this, divide by this, you will get the answer. I hope students you understood how we can use this fact LCM into HCF is equal to the product of two numbers for solving the word problems. If you feel that this is going to help your friends also, kindly share with your friends. Thank you.